answer key right now for video reference, but also so that you can check your answers. And this should have gone right 1. That is your x-intercept. Then you should have gone over 1 up a half. That's really all you need to graph, but you could go over 2 up 2 if you wanted to. So here's my parabola, x equals 1. Make sure you wrote the answer for yourself to get like full credit on a quiz. You have to write the solution is x equals 1. Then on the next page, you should have gone left 4 and up 1. And it's concave up parabola over 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has no x-intercepts. So you should have written no solution to get full credit on that type of problem on like a quiz. So on our first quiz, and I have no idea, when does our first quiz say? Factoring quiz tentatively for the second half of Monday. So depending on where we get to, because we would review before lunch and quiz after lunch. Number 4, you do negative b over 2a and you get positive 1. When you plug it back in, you would get positive 9. So you're at 1, 9, and you're going, oops, I just put 1, 10. Down 1 over 1, down 2 over 4, and down over 3, all the way down 9 hits your x-intercept. So did you get your x-intercept at negative 2 and positive 4? Now, there's going to be a time when your x-intercepts do not cross on an integer. If you notice, all of our answers today, we could answer from the graph. What happens if, over, let's say I was going over 1 and up 2, and I cut through right there, right? I can't tell. I just know that I'm between negative 8 and negative 9. We need another strategy for that. We're going to learn how to factor and solve for those other x-intercepts. Today, they all should have fallen on an x-axis. Okay, this last one, let's see, right 2 and down 4. So over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4 again. That hits right at what, 0 and 4? X equals 0, x equals 4. Did people pretty much get that before lunch? Are you feeling at all like, oh, I'm using what I used last unit. I know these transformation rules now. So do you see how getting a high enough grade on the Unit 2 test is going to help you with Unit 3? So make sure you get the help you need on Unit 2. The last 2 problems, I saw a lot of people doing things in their head with a lot of mistakes. So take the time. If you have a lot of chance at 7A and B, here's the box method, 4x minus 4, negative x plus 9. And on this one, don't distribute. You have to write negative 6x plus 2, negative 6x plus 2. Take a minute and try those if you haven't had a chance. And try this last question down here about the x-intercepts and Cindy's rocket if you haven't had a chance to. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to try if you haven't tried yet, and then I'll put the answers up. So take 2 minutes and try 7 and 8. Maybe you can kind of see that.